Today, I want to show you one of the quickest ways to grow your Facebook followers and also, obviously, your leading, your engagement. That's using Client Prospector. I use this together with Client CRM, which is also a Chrome extension. If you want to know about Chrome, the CRM, let me know. But today, I'm going to show you a bit about Client Prospector and how it works. You can see there that my reach in the last 28 days is 33,000. My post engagement was almost 6,000, and I've grown my followers from 2,000 to 5,600 in just over 3 months. I've recorded a short video here. You'll see shortly what it is. So there you can see my profile. There you can see my following, how many people I'm following. And this obviously is my home page. I'm going to go into search and I'm going to pick a group that I'm a part of. It can be other groups as well, and it's not limited to just groups. You can do it with ads, you can do it with influencers. I'm refreshing the page just because that particular page hasn't been refreshed for a while. And the Chrome extension that I'm selecting right now up at the top left there, that won't show in the recording, but I will show you a screenshot of it in the last slide at the end of this video. But you'll see shortly that on the bottom left-hand side that the actual Chrome Client Prospector has started running. You can see it there in the bottom left. And pretty shortly, you'll see my mouse is not moving. And this page will start to move on its own. And you can see the numbers that are there. And shortly, you'll see the first person that's being friend requested based on my criteria. So just hang on until the end of this video. It's not very long. And you'll see a screenshot of what the actual Chrome extension is and the different filters you can use. I've got mine running every 3 minutes. So there you can see it's friend requesting on my behalf, and I can actually walk away from my computer. I can go to bed, I can do what I like, and I can actually have this running. And by the end of the day, I've normally got an extra 50 to 75 new followers on my list, or new connections at least, that I can then send an introductory message to automatically. So this can be running in the background while you're working. It can also be running when you're away from your laptop. So yeah, today I'm offering 50% off, so let me know.